Hi everyone, it's time for another episode of DEPHEMEREMBER 2024. Today we are crafting an envelope flip to keep a secret love letter safe and sound. I'll show you how I decorate a belly band for a personal touch, perfect for gifting this journal to a dear friend. Let's get started. Just 2 more days left from DEPHEMEREMBER 2024. Welcome to the second to last video. And here you can see we have done so many ephemera. This is a large journaling card. Then here a little Freud, Winnicott, and here tags, woven flowers, all these different things, floating booklets, playing cards, pockets, all these beautiful things. DEPHEMEREMBER, as some of you may know, is an annual event where we craft ephemera throughout December. And I will link my playlist below. And today I'm using this belly band to address the current prompt, like an envelope flip and a secret love letter. This is the letter I wrote to the person I will give this journal to. It's a love letter and a letter of gratitude and respect, and yes, hidden in the journal so she can find it. I thought I will use the flap from the envelope, glue it behind the belly band so it can flip to the side, but first I will cut the top so that it is not peeking through on the other side, just here that it is hidden below. I think I like it best in the middle, and just using my art glitter glue to glue it down because I would like to have it strong. But can you see this here with this art glitter glue? There's not much glue coming out, and I don't understand it. If I use my pin and pin it through, it easily goes through. It's as if nothing is blocking it. But if I want to get the glue out, it's hardly any glue is coming out here. I really don't get it. I need to investigate this further. But for now, I think I need to take my glue stick, even though it's not as strong as the art glitter glue. I think it will be okay. But then you can see we have summer in New Zealand, so it's really, really, really hot, and I'm crafting in our attic, and so the glue stick gets really liquidy, and so you can see when you press a little bit too strong, heaps and heaps of glue ends up on the paper, and then everything is sticky. So I really need to make sure that I put something here under it, like a plastic foil. Here I'm using that one so that, it's not gluing to the page below, because then it can't be used as a belly band anymore. So I need to have it free. Yeah, I think that works. And just pressing it down properly so that the glue is really attaching to the belly band. Throwing my tool here around, but okay, I think that should work. And I think what I would like to do, I would like to decorate the front here with this one. You might have seen this through my junk journal. I used it before. This one is a stamp I did myself. I will link the video to it on top here and also below in the description how I did it. And I used this on different pages, and so I think it might be nice to have this again as a cohesive element. And this is a quote again. Some of you might know I like to have quotes about dreaming throughout the journal because it is supposed to be a dream journal, and I thought it's a nice little touch to have the different quotes about dreaming like hidden throughout the journal for the woman I gifted to discover. And here it's just, this will be just a little bit of writing space, and I love that it's just rough, that it is just to be tucked behind here. I'm using my metal ruler just to tear it, and with some Distress Oxide ink get the side really dark again so that it is matching the rest of this little pocket. And here I would like to make sure that the pocket is really securely attached. And yes, as I said before, my art glitter glue is not working, and I can't even get the top off. So the top seems to be glued shut. But I thought maybe I can use the glue directly. I have here this little spatula, and I can go directly into the glue and get a little bit of the glue out, and then go around the edges here, because as I said, it is a pocket, and if something gets tucked in and pulled out, I really would like to have a solid glue that is holding the pocket in place. And I could have, before I glued it down, I could have sewn around it. That would have been nice as well. I could have done that. But yeah, I didn't. And so now I use the art glitter glue, and I think this way it will work. And so here, without leaps of imagination or dreaming, we lose the excitement of possibilities. Dreaming, after all, is a form of planning, said Gloria Steinem. And inside here is space to journal. And it just means like it's important to dream, like daydreaming, night dreaming. It shows us what we are longing for and what is going on in our unconscious, and with that it helps us to make decisions in our life, to plan where we go next. So dreaming is an important thing in life. Here we are. It's a short but I think sweet video. I can remove my plastic foil now. I think everything is dry, and just the last little touch is the secret love letter to go in there for her to discover, and she can then put whatever she likes to behind here as behind the belly band. So here it is. I hope you enjoyed this little video. If you did, give it a thumbs up as always. It helps my channel and the YouTube algorithm to show it to other people. Look up under hashtag DEPHEMEREMBER other creators. I think it's really worth it. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye for now.